welcome to my channel. I'm Ajeng Fatima Zulaiha. I'm from TBA 3A. Today I want to be explain about morphology. Morphology is science, the study in and out and classification of words. In the morphology, we the studies that structure and form of words. When we study morphology, we have three process. In the first is derivation, and the second is inflection, and the last is clipping. What the meaning of words? Words is the language unit that consists one or more morphemes and has meanings. In other words, morphology helps us understanding how form and uses in the language. In other words, morphology helps us understanding how words are formed and used in the language. Okay, the first we talk about words that meaningful building blocks in the language. What the meaning? Words as meaningful building blocks in the language. The meaning of words as a unity that has meaning to building in the language. The second, we are talk about word as a token and type in the language. Type refers to the general category of words, and token is the specific use of the words in a particular context. The example is cat. Cat is the refer to type words, and I saw a cat. This is example of token. And the third, we talk about word as unpredictable meaning. Unpredictable in the words is the cannot be definite, and we just to have a dictionary to meaning the words. And the example is proverb. Proverb is cannot be definite, and we just to have a dictionary to define proverb. And the second is anatopic. Anatopic is cannot be definite because the first is the word's predictable meaning. Some words have clear and predictable meaning based on their structure or context. And the example is unhappy. And in the words, its meaning is not. And the meaning is unhappy, not happy. 5 is the word versus lexical item. In lexical is the words as the term. The term is the specific technical words and must be found in the dictionary to define words. Example of lexical is take is easy. This is meaning is the relaxed but not taking is easy. Okay, next we talk about words and their parts like roots, affix, and the shape of words. Okay, the first is taking words apart. The definition taking words apart is breaking down words into their small unit to have meaning in the words. In the taking words apart, we have to morpheme. Morpheme is the small unit in the words. Okay, the second we talk about free morpheme versus bond morpheme. Pre-morpheme are morpheme cannot stand alone words. And the example is run, book. And the second is bormorphine. Bormorphine or morphine is cannot stand alone, and we must be combine their morphine. The example is bormorphine is the unhappiness. Un is the prefix, and happiness is the suffix in the word. Okay, next, the third, we discuss about root, affix, and compound form in the morpheme. The root is morpheme that carry basic meaning, and the example is play in the playing. Affix are morpheme add the roots to change meaning, and the example is in the playing. The last is compound form. Compound form refers to morpheme to combine other morpheme, and the example is bio in the biology. Okay, next we discuss about allmorph. Allmorph is the varieties of morpheme. For example is the plural cat, and we just to make s in the last word. And next we identify morpheme independently of meaning. Morpheme can be identified without needing to understand the meaning in the deeper. Example is unhappiness. We can see the structure of words to understanding meaning in the word. How to classification part of words. The first is lexical morpheme. In the lexical morpheme, we just to convey the meaning of words, such as cat or run. The second is the grammatical morpheme. The grammatical identify grammatical relationship, such as ed to indicate the past. Okay, next we talk about words and their form. This is inflection. Okay, the first we talk about word and grammar. In the word grammar, we discuss about lexeme, word form, and grammatical words. The first is lexeme. Lexeme is the basic unit of meaning, and the example is run. And the second is word form. Word form is the variation of based on the context. The example is run, runs, and running. Okay, the last is grammatical words. These words do not have full meaning, but have form in the structure of words, such as preposition is in, on, at, and conjunction like and but. Okay, next we remove to the second is the regular and irregular inflection. Regular inflection is word form that follow a certain pattern, usually by add the es or es in the plural and the ed to the past. The second is the irregular inflection. Irregular inflection is word form is do not follow the common pattern. The example is go to be went, and go is the present simple, and the when is the verb 3 or the past tense. Okay, next we talk about form of nouns. Nouns have the several form, and the example is the singular and plural. And the singular is the cat, and the example of plural is the cats. Okay, next we discuss about pronoun and determiners. Pronoun is the word used instead a noun. Determiner is a word that places before a noun. The example of pronoun is the first is the subject like I, he, she, and the object like me, him, her. Example of determiner is the the, this, mine. Okay, we talk about verb forms. Verb is the action word. Of verb is one is the best form like to eat, and the second is the present like eat, and the third is the past like ate. Okay guys, next we discuss about form of adjective. Adjective is the word to function to explain, describe, or limit a word. Example like big, bigger, and biggest. Bigger is the positive word, and bigger is the comparative, and the last is the biggest. This is superlative. Okay, that's all for me. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.